There are many products available to choose an airless paint sprayer, each with different characteristics, benefits. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and made a list of the best airless paint sprayer from renowned brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for folks like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my video description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Graco Magnum 260-2800X5 Stand Airless Paint Sprayer. Graco Magnum 260-2800X5 Stand Airless Paint Sprayer in blue is a standout choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. This versatile sprayer combines power, efficiency, and precision, making it a must-have tool for any painting project. Equipped with a durable stand, the X5 offers stability and ease of use, allowing you to tackle large projects with confidence. Its airless technology ensures smooth and consistent coverage, saving you time and effort compared to traditional paint application methods. The adjustable pressure control allows for customizable spraying, enabling you to achieve the perfect finish on various surfaces. Whether you're painting walls, fences, or furniture, the X5 delivers professional results every time. The lightweight design and ergonomic handle make maneuvering the sprayer comfortable, reducing fatigue during extended use. The Graco Magnum 260-2800X5 Stand Airless Paint Sprayer is a reliable and efficient solution for all your painting needs. Number 2. Wagner Spray to Control Pro 130 Power Tank Paint Sprayer. Revolutionizing the painting experience, the Wagner Spraytec 0580678 Control Pro 130 Power Tank Paint Sprayer emerges as a game-changer in the realm of home improvement tools. Engineered for optimal efficiency, this airless sprayer boasts remarkable precision coupled with minimal overspray, ensuring pristine results with every stroke. At the core of its design is a high-efficiency airless system, delivering unparalleled performance while significantly reducing wastage. Whether you're tackling large projects or intricate details, the Control Pro 130 empowers users to achieve professional-grade finishes effortlessly. Equipped with a user-friendly interface, controlling paint flow and pressure is intuitive, allowing for seamless adjustments to suit various surfaces and coatings. The innovative power tank design enhances mobility and convenience, eliminating the hassle of frequent refills, while extending uninterrupted painting sessions. Furthermore, its low overspray feature not only enhances productivity, but also minimizes cleanup efforts, making it an ideal choice for both seasoned craftsmen and enthusiasts alike. Number 3. Graco Magnum X7 Card Airless Paint Sprayer. Delve into the realm of flawless painting with the XYZ Paint Sprayer, engineered to empower enthusiasts and professionals alike with unparalleled control and efficiency. With its fully adjustable pressure, this sprayer puts the reins of paint flow firmly in your hands, ensuring seamless execution across projects of any size. Equipped with the innovative Rack IV switch tip, unclogging becomes a breeze, allowing uninterrupted spraying sessions. Forget the hassle of thinning paint, thanks to the stainless steel piston pump that enables high-pressure spraying of unthinned paint, guaranteeing immaculate finishes every time. Embrace convenience as the flexible suction tube lets you draw paint directly from 1 or 5-gallon buckets, eliminating the need for constant refills. Designed for productivity, this sprayer boasts a recommendation of up to 125 gallons per year, enabling you to tackle more projects with ease. Cleaning up is a swift affair with the power flush adapter, seamlessly connecting to your garden hose for effortless maintenance. Number 4. Himalaya High Pressure Airless Paint Sprayer. Transforming your painting experience, the Himalaya High Pressure Airless Paint Sprayer emerges as a powerhouse with its impressive specifications. Boasting a robust 3000 psi, 58 HP, and 650 W, this power painter is designed to elevate your painting projects to new heights. Ideal for a myriad of applications, including home interiors, exteriors, commercial endeavors, and projects, this versatile machine caters to both the casual handyman and the seasoned professional contractor alike. With its airless technology, it ensures a flawless finish with every stroke, eliminating uneven application and overspray. The ergonomic design enhances maneuverability, allowing for effortless control and precision even in tight spaces. Whether you're tackling a large-scale renovation or a minor touch-up, the Himalaya High-Pressure Airless Paint Sprayer delivers unparalleled performance, making it a must-have addition to any painting arsenal. Number 5. MaxSpray M1 Airless Paint Sprayer. Revolutionize your painting projects with the MaxSpray M1 Airless Paint Sprayer, a game-changer in efficiency and precision. Say goodbye to tedious thinning processes, as this sprayer handles paint with ease, saving you time and effort. Whether you're tackling home exterior renovations or enhancing your house interior, this sprayer delivers exceptional results. One of its standout features is its minimal overspray, ensuring clean and precise application every time. No more wasted paint or messy cleanup. The MaxSpray M1 ensures every drop goes exactly where you want it. Equipped with essential paint sprayer accessories, this all-in-one solution simplifies your painting process. From large surfaces to intricate details, its high efficiency and versatility make it a must-have tool for enthusiasts and professionals alike. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.